Tired of your Kvcore emails landing in the digital abyss? Let's unlock the secrets to dramatically boosting your open rates and turning those clicks into conversions, all in just 90 seconds. First, navigate to your Kvcore marketing autopilot. We're going to focus on crafting killer subject lines that grab attention. Think about your target audience. What problems do they have? What are their desires? Use compelling words like urgent, new listing, or exclusive. Keep it short and sweet, ideally under 50 characters, so it displays correctly on mobile devices. Test different subject lines to see what resonates best with your audience. Next up, personalization. Generic emails get ignored. Use Kvcore's merge fields to insert the recipient's name, property interests, or other relevant details. The more personalized, the higher the chance they'll open it. Make your email content visually appealing. Use high-quality images, break up text with bullet points, and include a clear call to action button. Keep your message concise and focused on the value you're offering. Don't forget your sender reputation. Spam filters are ruthless. Ensure your domain is properly authenticated with SPF and DKIM records. Avoid using spam trigger words like free or guarantee. Excessively monitor your sender score regularly to maintain a good reputation. Track your results. Kvcore provides detailed analytics on your email performance. Analyze your open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to identify what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your strategy and continuously improve your email marketing. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to unlocking higher Kvcore email open rates, stronger engagement, and more closed deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks. #email marketing tips, #open rates.